Hello. There's quite a lot of fine weather to come for the UK in the week ahead, but it's not to say there won't be some changes, some notable changes, more that you'll feel perhaps than see, particularly chilly for Tuesday and Wednesday. But hopefully the payoff for that is that we'll see a bit more sunshine. Pretty cloudy start to the week. This area of low pressure feeding the cloud in, also bringing some colder air in behind the aptly named cold front, and tightly packed isobars are making for a windy story for the remainder of today, particularly across Scotland, but quite gusty down some of our North Sea coasts too. Most of the clouds to the south starting to break up as we head through this evening and on into tonight. Still some showers feeding into northern Scotland, turning a little bit wintry across the Grampians, perhaps the odd one feeding into the North York moors by the end of the night as well. Strength of the wind, though, will keep the temperatures above freezing. And notice those skies are somewhat clearer first thing on Tuesday, so there should be some sunny spells on the way, just a little bit more cloud towards the west. But the wind is still a defining feature for Scotland and right the way along the east coast. Very gusty and continuing to feed in some showers. Perhaps a little lighter than today across Scotland come Tuesday afternoon. But we need to be quite cautious along the North Sea coast as well. High spring tides and that northerly wind could cause some upwelling and local coastal flooding. On we go through Tuesday evening and into the early hours of Wednesday. Some showers maybe even turning a little bit wintry across the North York moors and the Grampians as things get considerably colder, with quite a widespread frost at the end of Tuesday night. For Wednesday, a warm front towards the west of us, but it gets stuck there. It looks like it will be a pretty chilly day, hopefully with some bright or sunny spells. You can see the balance between the milder air and the colder air towards the east. Looks like Northern Ireland may just sneak into something slightly warmer on Wednesday. Elsewhere, a cold story and with a nagging northerly wind to the east. It will be a real change to what we've been experiencing in the last few days. So the temperatures that you see popping up behind me for Wednesday afternoon are how it will read on the thermometer. How it will feel when you step outside is considerably cooler, but we're looking at the lower end of single figures as we go into the middle part of this week.